So our next speaker, I'm going to bring Amanda Whitespear back to talk about what is your top leverage tactic and how you use it in business. Amanda, please take it away.
Yay, I love leverage. Just like Chris had kind of talked about, leverage could either be systems, technology, or teams. And the whole idea of leverage is to get your time back. Whenever you first start in this business, you either have time or money. And typically when you're new, you have a lot of time and no money. And then when you kind of grow your business, you have more money and less times. And for me, teams is my love language. That's like my thing that I've been doing at a really high level. Last year, we were honored enough to be the #1 standard team at EXP. And so if y'all have team questions, I'm hooked. But there's 3 different ways that you could really leverage people and create a team and get your time back. At the end of the day, you are an independent contractor. You are the CEO of your business, and you need a board of directors. And so if you're just now starting out and you're not a huge, top producer, maybe that board of directors is your vendors and your mentor and your fellow agents that you can trust. And so you might have like a self-organized kind of loose team where your leverage might be a showing concierge, which is just hey girl, I need your help. I'll Venmo you $40 if you can go open this door. But to your client, it's, hey, my showing concierge, Jennifer, is going to open the door and I'll still be here to negotiate everything. Leverage could be your TC, and pay them per deal, don't have a huge capital risk. Once you start to grow your business, you could have a real traditional team where you have a team leader, you have buyer's agents. Those people are out working weekends and nights while you get to be at home with your family and have vacations. And for me, I have mastered the traditional team so much. Our team is city-side properties here in Houston that now I have expansion teams. And so since we're in the people business, you find your leaders and you say, hey, if I can do this city-side Houston, why not have city-side Dallas, city-side Fort Worth, city-side San Antonio, city-side Corpus Christi? You kind of get the idea, right? And then as you grow that, you can have leaders in other states. With the model that we have with our company, we can, wherever you're licensed, it's one cap and it's kind of grew at the speed of the internet. So for you, if you don't have a team and you want to create one, if you have any questions, let us know, but find your leaders in other states. We're in the people business and the opportunities for leverage is really endless. Hope that helps, Jason. Leverage people. It works. Win-win.
That does. It was a little shorter than I thought. I thought we had more time, but if you want to continue, we have quite a bit more time, or we can move on to the final speaker. It's up to you.